Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini. Today I can proudly show you the latest addition to my stable. It's a 1976 Yamaha FS1E. It's been fully restored and I call it the COVID bike because it was restored during the COVID period. It took about 2 years, I believe, to restore this bike. I've just purchased it off a very nice chap who has tried to do it as near like 100% factory. Now, this is a bit of a special bike for me because I actually had a bike exactly the same colour, exactly the same year in 1976, and I kept it for a couple of years and I absolutely loved it. Went everywhere on it. This is a special bike. It just is. Everybody knows the fizzies, and I'll just walk around it and show you the restoration. It's pristine. It's one of the nicest jobs I've had. I've had quite a few of these, but I honestly can't fault this one. It needs running in. The engine's been fully rebuilt as well. It's got the original Araya wheels. Yep. The frame has been professionally painted, not powder coated, sprayed, which is how they left the factory. A lot of them are powder coated now. The finish on the paint is absolutely gorgeous. At the moment it's showing 1 mile, so I do need to run this in. There we go. It's a lovely bike. You purists out there will know this. If you see the pictures of when the bike was collected, it was like it'd been in the bottom of a river. I'm actually doing a photo box album on this bike to show you the pre and after pictures. You wouldn't believe it. It was a complete rust bucket. I'm very pleased with the result of these. Now, they fetch massive money, these bikes. I've actually seen these FS1Es or Yami Fizzies going for around about 10 grand, even plus. A good one like this today probably set you back 8,000 to 9,000, I would have thought. Seems a lot of money for a moped. It's a genuine UK bike and it's genuine numbers, matching frame and engine. Better than that you cannot get. I haven't ridden it yet. Oh, well, I've ridden it around the driveway, just around here, and it seems to be really nice. I will fire it up for you now. So, put the ignition on. There. I don't think I need choke because I fired it up, bringing it in this position. Yeah, no. How's that? Oh, that lovely smell. It runs like a Swiss watch, to be honest. Listen to this little engine. That is exactly as it should be. Yeah, that's sweet as a nut. Looking forward to getting this out. The beauty of these classic bikes is they're usually tax exempt. Yeah, just look at that. Yeah, that's ticking over a treat. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. There's going to be many more to follow. But this, I can honestly say, is a very special bike. Brilliant. Nice one. Thanks guys. Cheers.